Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Oklo. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.97. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis have seen an impressive gain of 116.93% since we first designated Oklo as a buy candidate just 27 days ago. This gain translates to an average return of 4.33% each day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 280.19% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 218.53% to 410.77%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Oklo Inc. stock price on Tuesday, moving between $19.83 and $22.54. The Oklo Inc. stock price gained 5.57% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, rising from $20.63 to $21.78. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.67%, from a low of $19.83 to a high of $22.54. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 16 million shares, and in total, 17 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $369,410,000. It is important to consider that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence, which may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $28.12, while the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 22.55%, or $6.34, below the 52-week high of $28.12, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Oklo's recent market activity marks a significant moment for investors, especially against the backdrop of political shifts and sector potential. The appointment of Chris Wright, the Chief Executive Officer of Liberty Energy and a board member at Oklo, as Energy Secretary under President-elect Trump, brings optimism for increased support for the nuclear sector. This development may enhance Oklo's stock price in the short term, fueled by investor confidence in favorable policy changes. Additionally, the recent report on Oklo's third-quarter earnings offers a mixed perspective. While the stock has seen considerable growth, the operational timeline has been extended to late 2027, emphasizing the speculative nature of this investment. The release of previously restricted shares has also increased the tradable float by 12%, resulting in heightened volatility. Oklo's innovative approach to meeting low-carbon energy demand is promising, but concerns regarding shareholder dilution and funding persist, which could impact the stock's performance over the long term. In light of a potential bull market for uranium, as indicated in recent analyses of exchange-traded funds, Oklo's strategic positioning within the growing demand for nuclear energy may attract sustained interest from investors. Overall, while short-term gains may be bolstered by political developments, the long-term performance of Oklo will depend on how effectively the company navigates operational challenges and market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave Oklo a buy rating with an initiate recommendation. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, Seaport Global reported a neutral rating for Oklo, also with an initiate recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, Citigroup again assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, Citigroup rated Oklo as neutral with an initiate recommendation. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 18.01%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The stock for Oklo Inc. holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $22. Conversely, if the stock falls, support can be expected from the long-term average at around $18.14. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots generated a sell signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. Oklo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $20.83. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.71 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 13.67%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 15.96%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio, is an important metric. It compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns. often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $22.31. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $20.83. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from various analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 14th of November, 2024, Klein Michael Stewart executed an insider sale of 13,450,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of July, 2024, Wright Christopher A. carried out an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Kinsley Richard also conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Additionally, on that day, Jansen John M. made an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Furthermore, DeWitt Jacob conducted an insider purchase of 337,079 shares of restricted stock units on the same date. Analyzing the 31 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 46.313. In total, insiders acquired 85,296,448 shares, while selling 25,950,000 shares in the last 31 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.57, reflecting a decline of 5.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 8 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several of the indicators are pointing downward, which we believe will impact the company's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Upon analyzing the volatility and trading movements from the last day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of November, we expect Oklo to open lower by approximately 39 cents, starting at $21.38. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.